Halo, welcome to Learn Indonesian with Maria. In this channel, I will share you how to learn Indonesian in easy way. So, if you want to learn Indonesian language, please subscribe to the channel. And our today's topic is about school vocabulary. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's get started. The first one is sekolah. Sekolah. Sekolah means school. Murid. Murid. Murid means student. Guru. Guru. Guru means teacher. Kepala sekolah. Kepala sekolah. Kepala sekolah means headmaster. Kelas. Kelas. Kelas means class. Ketua kelas. Ketua kelas. Ketua kelas means class leader. Pelajaran. Pelajaran. Pelajaran means subject. PR. PR. PR means homework. Ujian. Ujian. Ujian means exam. Lulus. Lulus. Lulus means graduate. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the button like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye, sampai jumpa.